Hi everybody, Health Coach Erin here. We are in full summer swing in the great state of Kentucky, my native state, and summer here means a whole lot of humidity. So I thought it was important to talk about how hydration and how we can stay hydrated and keep ourselves safe. Hydration is extremely important in avoiding some of the heat-oriented illnesses like heat stroke, sunstroke, things of that nature. They can be very dangerous, and so this is a really important subject for us, for our kids, and for our loved ones. Help remind them and look out for them as well. First, we'll kind of talk about regular ballpark daily needs of water. For adults, we usually need about a half an ounce to 3/4 of an ounce per pound of body weight per day. So that's how you can calculate that for yourselves. So if you're 130 pounds, you would multiply that by a half of an ounce. That gives us roughly 8.135 cups or something like that. I'm not great at math, but that's why they have calculators. So you can use your own weight to determine your needs. And then of course you can go up from there if you're highly active or in a nice humid climate like we have in Kentucky. For kids actually need a little bit more water than adults. They move around a whole lot more than us and need a little bit more to stay hydrated themselves. Kids typically need about 1 ounce per pound of body weight per day. So that's easy enough to calculate. We tend to stay dehydrated if we're not on top of it. And so instead of just guzzling glass after glass of water, I would say start your day with a cup of water. That's an easy way to get one in. And then sip throughout the day. That often makes us more comfortable and it's doable. You just carry a reusable bottle with you and fill it up as you go on about your day. Make sure that you're sipping throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. If you are going to be exercising for more than an hour or outside in extremely humid conditions, the reason for that is our bodies sweat to cool us. When the air is nice and dry, our sweat can do exactly what it needs to. It's evaporated into the air and it helps cool our body temperature down. When we're in humid conditions, our sweat doesn't evaporate because the air is so moist, and so it's unable to keep our body cooled the way that it's supposed to. So in humid conditions, you may need to add a little extra water. People often ask about sports drinks, and while I usually don't use them for myself, I just rely on that water throughout the day and make sure that I'm getting more water when I am working out in those conditions or for a longer period of time. But some people may want to look into a sports drink to rehydrate themselves. I would just say mind the ingredients and make sure that those are within the guidelines of things that you want to be including in your diet and in your nutritional plan. You also have to watch out for things like excess sugar. A natural solution for the rehydration under those kind of times of excess sweating or activity might be coconut water. You can find unsweetened coconut water in many places these days, and I'll often even dilute that with water, and it just flavors it a little bit, and it also provides your body with a little bit of sodium, but also some potassium, lots of potassium actually. So that may be another solution for you if you're really out there sweating hard and in those humid conditions. If you want to know more, I have a class on water, and I'm glad to do one-on-one sessions as well. So I'm here to help. Just let me know. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.